In this video, we are going to be looking at the Bwise 7-foot by 16-foot low-profile dump trailer, model number DLP16-15. Its GVWR is 15,400 pounds. The empty weight is 4,200 pounds, giving this trailer a maximum payload capacity of 11,200 pounds. The interior dump bed measures 82 inches wide by 16 feet long and is 22.5 inches deep. Stake pockets, the shape of 2x4s, line the walls, making it easy to build up the sides. The total length of the trailer, including the tongue, is 21 feet, and the width from fender to fender measures in at 102 inches. This DLP16-15 has a sturdy 10-gauge floor, 12-gauge sides, and a 2 5/16 inch adjustable coupler, as well as a heavy-duty hydraulic jack. This unit comes with a power-up, power-down scissor hoist with a 5-inch cylinder and a slipper spring suspension system. It comes with two 7,000-pound Easy Lube axles and a 3-way combo gate. The gate can be unlatched from the top, allowing it to be lowered like the tailgate of a pickup truck, or it can be unlatched from the bottom, allowing it to be used as a spreader, or it can be opened from the center like barn doors. On the back corners, a set of stabilizer jacks slide down to keep your trailer from tipping while loading your heavier equipment. This unit also includes a set of slide-out ramps, bolted-on D-rings, and an onboard battery charger. Some other popular options for this trailer include a tarp kit, a spare tire mount with spare tire, an aluminum wheel upgrade, and a wireless remote. To reserve this trailer, view all of our live inventory, or apply for financing, visit our website at www.breckvilletrailers.com. Or to speak with the trailer specialist, pick up the phone and give us a call at 717-262-6383. Whether you are coming from Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Carlisle, Hershey, York, or Lancaster, PA, or maybe Cumberland, Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, DC, Richmond, Virginia, or Martinsburg, West Virginia, we are within a short 2-hour drive away. We are 3 miles west off Interstate 81 in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, right off exit number 16. As always, we look forward to providing you with a seamless trailer experience.